When should you automate? This is such an important question. I see so many people trying to automate things that they have not proven the process for, and it's just going to cause you a lot of stress and a lot of headache. And I know this because I have two different clients, and one client has a very well established sales and marketing process. And so we're looking at that process, and then we're just seeing, okay, where can we automate parts of this to save the team time? And it's going really great. And then I have another client who is putting together new marketing, new offers, new clients, new niche, new. And we're struggling to define the processes and figure out what exactly do we need to do to create automation for those processes. And so by waiting, doing things manually until they are working, you're going to save yourself so much time, stress, and money because someone like us will be able to come in and automate that really easily.